Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to delete field name from FINSC ACDOC underscore FCT table. So sometimes like we get the requirement to delete the field name for COPA from this table. So let's try here. Go to transaction code AC16N, then press enter. Enter the table name here, FINSC underscore ACDOC underscore FCT. Then type here Control H to on the debugging mode here. You can see in the below debugging switched on. Then after click on execute here and click on desktop 3 here. Enter the variable here GD-SAPEDIT and SAP edit here. Scroll it right here. Just press once enter. Then go to the change value here. Type X here. And again go to the change here. Type X. Type X here. Then below you can see the confirm button. Click on confirm here. Then press F8 from your keyboard. Now we can see all the custom fields which are coming under this table. So as per your requirement, you can select any of this table which you want to delete from this table. So suppose I am deleting this one. So I just selected and click on this minus icon here. Now you can see that row is deleted and click on save here. You can see the message here, deleted row is 1, inserted is 0. You can insert also or you can change also here. So click on continue here. Again press save. So by this way you can delete, edit and add the field name in this table. So you can see here the total number hit is 11. So just refresh it. Now you can see the total number hit is now 10 in this table. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube. This video is related to COPA only. Thank you.